Hey guys, it's Lexi aka Crickchick, and today I'll be revealing my most anticipated movies of September. So the first movie comes out September 11th and is called The Perfect Guy. The story revolves around a character named Leah who just broke up with her boyfriend and jumps into a passionate relationship with a charming stranger, and he ends up being crazy as all hell. Now, I mean, this storyline has been done millions and millions of times, but I feel like they're really going to knock this out of the park. The trailer left me with a good feeling, and I feel like all the actors will kill the roles, so I'll be able to sit in the theater and forget that the storyline has been done over and over and over again. But that's September 11th, and once again, it's The Perfect Guy. I'm looking forward to seeing this on the screen. The second movie also comes out September 11th, and it is on my list because I feel like it will be the worst movie of the month, and it is called The Visit. So a mom drops her two kids off to visit the grandparents, and the grandpa basically says, "Don't come out of your room after 9:30. And of course they do, and the grandma's doing a weird scratching thing on the wall, and the rest of the trailer, the grandparents are just being really shady and really weird. And I'm going into the theater with very, very low expectations of this movie, so hopefully it will surprise me, but I'm not too sure about that. The third movie comes out September 18th, and it is called Black Mass. It is based on a true story, and it follows one of Boston's most famous gangsters in history, and it is played by Johnny Depp. And let me tell you, this will be his great return. He's kind of been on a low standard recently, and I feel like this will shoot him back up to one of my favorite actors. And I mean, this cast list is crazy. It has Kevin Bacon, Benedict Cumberbatch, Dakota Johnson, Joel Edgerton. This movie is going to blow minds, and I cannot wait. The fourth movie comes out September 25th, and it is called The Green Inferno. It follows a group of activists who go to the Amazon to save the rainforest, but their plane crashes and a hostile tribe finds them, and as the trailer reveals, they torture them, they keep them in cages. I mean, they're screaming, they're trying to run, they're crying. It looks so intense, and I know I'll be on the edge of my seat the whole time, and I hope this movie keeps me guessing throughout the whole thing, because the trailer did, so I have high standards, and I hope it's not going to be a predictable ending, but I'm very excited to see that, and that's towards the end of the month, so I hope everyone will go see The Green Inferno. So those are the 4 movies that I'm looking out for in September. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you will see the movies I have mentioned. As always, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next.